Welcome, everyone, to today's podcast episode. We're diving into something that's been making waves in the world of online entrepreneurship, the done-for-you business model.
Yeah, I'm excited for this. It's such a fascinating concept, especially for people looking to start an online business without the headache of doing everything themselves.
Totally. Let's start with the basics. A done-for-you, or DFY, business is essentially a pre-built system. Everything from the website to the funnel to the product itself is ready to go. You just focus on marketing it and scaling.
So basically, it takes away all the heavy lifting that usually comes with starting a business. I mean, think about how time-consuming it is to create a product or manage customer service.
Exactly. And that's why it's such a great model for beginners or even busy professionals who don't have hours to spare.
But here's the thing. If it's so easy, why isn't everyone doing it?
Good question. I think the biggest reason is awareness. Most people don't even know DFY businesses exist. And when they do hear about them, there's often skepticism around whether they're legit or not.
Right. I've heard people say things like, it sounds too good to be true. But the truth is, it works when done right. The digital product industry is booming, and DFY businesses tap directly into that.
Exactly. And it's perfect for people who want to start earning quickly. Some DFY businesses allow you to start seeing results in weeks, even days, instead of waiting months for a business to take off.
That's huge, especially in today's fast-paced world where people want results yesterday.
Absolutely. And it's not just beginners who benefit. Even experienced entrepreneurs use DFY systems to create additional income streams.
So if someone's listening right now and thinking, okay, I'm sold, where do I start? What's the first step?
The first step is choosing the right DFY business. Not all of them are created equal. Look for one that offers high-quality digital products, has a proven sales track record, and lets you keep 100% of the profits.
Makes sense. You don't want to invest in something that's poorly put together or doesn't actually deliver value.
Exactly. Once you've picked your DFY business, the next step is setting up your sales funnel. This includes your website, lead capture system, sales page, and checkout process.
So it's not completely hands-off. You do have to set up the infrastructure.
Right? But once it's set up, it runs on automation. That's the beauty of it. Your sales funnel does the heavy lifting, from capturing leads to delivering products.
And then comes the fun part, marketing. Driving traffic to your business is where the magic happens, right?
Spot on. There are two main ways to market: organic traffic, like creating TikTok videos or engaging in Facebook groups, and paid traffic, like running targeted ads on social media platforms.
I love the idea of organic traffic because it's free, but paid traffic definitely gets quicker results if you've got the budget for it.
Exactly. And once you start driving traffic, the system takes care of the rest. Processing payments, delivering products, even automating follow-ups.
It sounds like a dream setup. But let's address the elephant in the room. What about the myths surrounding DFY businesses?
Great point. Myth number one, DFY businesses are scams. The truth? Legit DFY businesses offer real value, quality products, and a proven system for making money.
And myth number two, you can't make real money with this. That's just not true. Plenty of people are earning thousands of dollars per month using this model.
Exactly. But let's be clear, like any business, you have to put in the effort to market it.
Absolutely. And what about myth number three? It's too late to start now.
Not even close. The digital product industry is growing every year. There's more demand than ever for courses, templates, and ebooks.
So if someone's ready to jump in, what's the next step?
The next step is simple. Find a DFY system that works and take action. There are programs out there, some even offering mentorship, training, and community support to help you succeed.
And the sooner you start, the sooner you can tap into that financial freedom.
Exactly. For anyone listening who's ready to get started, check out the resources we've linked in the description.
Perfect. And I think that's a great note to end on.
Totally. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share this episode with a friend.
And we'll see you next time. Until then, keep chasing freedom.